A live look here at the Indians field where they will play tonight in much cooler weather. I'm sure everybody, they take on Scranton at 7:05 and they've got it all covered up there, the tarp over the infield so they can keep things dry from this morning's rain.
Yeah, still raining out there right now, but as we get closer to that first pitch, which is at 7 o'clock, we should be pretty good across central Indiana. I want to give you a view of what's happening right now, the satellite radar, because this is important about how everything is moving in from west to east. And I also want you to notice that little area just southeast of Bloomington. We're going to focus in on that thunderstorm in just a second. But the wider picture shows that we have heavier rain amounts south of I-70, more steady rain, and that's the way it's going to go as we head into the afternoon and evening. Live Doppler 13 radar showing us 2 lightning strikes right now, and as you look south and east of Bloomington, as I draw your attention to that spot, we do have some very heavy rain. This is moving toward Elkinsville and then also pushing to the east around Beck's Grove. So this is just going to be really heavy rain, a few rumbles of thunder, and we will see the steady rain behind it push to the east too. So if you're in Spencer, Farmersburg, Sullivan, still seeing light rain showers. That'll be the story from Westport to Greensburg, Versailles too, right along 421. And we will see the steady rain as we head into the afternoon. It's going to be steadier, especially south of I-70, but we'll still see some light showers from Greencastle to Brownsburg up through Lawrence and also just north of Anderson. You can always track this by downloading our free SkyTrak 13 weather app. And you'll also be able to look at these rainfall totals. So far since midnight, Indianapolis hasn't really picked up that much. About 1/4 of an inch in Greencastle, 1/3 of an inch in Terre Haute. Nothing too impressive. I got a report from Cicero, just under 1/2 an inch of rain. So we'll keep watching that as we head through the afternoon. Downtown Indianapolis, it is cloudy and it is cool. 73 degrees, winds out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. These current temperatures are much different than what we had at this time yesterday. 73 in Kokomo, 69 in Muncie, 76 in Greensburg, 70 in Greencastle, and 69 in Crawfordsville. These temperatures are 10 to even 15 degrees cooler than just 24 hours ago. So that temperature change is a big deal, and even cooler temperatures are on the way. As we head through the afternoon, it's going to be cool and damp, chance of a shower at any time, and that's going to be especially true along and south of I-70. 78 degrees will be your high as we go into the afternoon. And I think that rain comes to an end by about 6 o'clock tonight for the city of Indianapolis, so the Indians game should be okay. This is Future Track 13 starting at 1 o'clock this afternoon through 3 o'clock. You can still see that we have some stronger showers and storms down to the south. But as we get to 7 o'clock, this is really pushing out of the state. And as we head later into tonight, we start to see clearing skies and it will be cool. Clouds break, 63 degrees for your Thursday forecast, starting off nice in the 60s, 74 degrees by noon, and tomorrow's high 78 degrees. We are dry on Thursday. As we go into Friday, though, we're going to have to watch the radar because it looks like we might see a few scattered showers, and that could impact Operation Football Friday night. So we'll keep you posted on that as we continue to keep an eye on what we're going to see as we head into the weekend. For the weekend, it will be much cooler. A high of only 70 degrees on Saturday. Sunday morning starting off at 49. Sunday, a high of only 70, and then we stay nice and cool and below average for this time of year in the 70s into next week. Julia?